Guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we will be installing this marker lights in the grill. From last few weeks or something, I'm seeing many cars with the lights in the grill. So I also ordered something. So these are the yellow ones, and it's paint like the glass is black and the light is orange. So what we're gonna do is just slide it in this. It's tight, so once I slide it, it will not come out, so I have to chop it afterwards. So one will go in this, one will go in this, and then one in this, and then one in this. I have four, and then we will zip tie it and hold it on the same place. So I just hanged it for a while like this. It will just slide in, not slide in, you have to push it really hard. If it breaks, then I will cut this and then connect the wires. I don't want to do wiring and stuff like that, so I will try to push it so that I just lock it from the back and give it to the fuse box. So it should be on the top one, all four. And what I like in this is it's already black, so it should be not like, it will not be that visible. So I did pass everything from the back. It didn't break it, it slid it, it made a tick sound really hard. I thought it might have break it, but it didn't break it. You just need to swipe like this. So we're gonna just slide it in, and it just get locks here. So all the four of them is connected. So now I will check it first if everything is working. If not, then I have to order it again. Why I'm saying order it again? Because earlier I did order the same thing, but it was a different seller. He didn't have the options to select, but in the photos and everything it showed it was orange, but when I got it, it was all white. So I have to ask him. So he did refund me everything, and then I ordered a new one from a different seller. He had different options like white, blue, orange, and there was one more, ice blue or something like that. So that's why I'm saying I ordered it again. If it didn't work, so I have to chop, and I added one light on that one, so it didn't came out, so I had to chop it from here to bring it out. So I don't know if it works or not. I should have tested it before I added it. So let's check if it works. Yep, it should go look, I guess. So now I will what do is tuck all the wire back nice, zip tie it, and put it in the fuse box. I will show you where I'm putting in the fuse box. I will be running with the lights. I have a fuse extender or something where you can add another fuse on the top like that. So guys, this one was the last one I ordered. Like, it was same thing, black glass, and the lights were white. So I added one in there, it won't come out, so I have to chop it. So they refunded me the money, but they didn't ask for it back. So this one was the new one, and it's installed. I will turn off the light and then we will see how good it looks. And for the wiring, I did is just give it in my switchboard. So because there's a reason, the fuse splitter or whatever, we had two fuse on the top, that's a different size or something, so I have to order a new one and then it will come, and I cannot wait them to be running. So I added on my switch panel, so it is on this switch. I will change it to the daytime running light, and like on the lights, when the lights are on, it will run automatically. I will remove it from the switch, but for that I need that fuse splitter or something. It will look like this in the night. It's not night actually, but still from the far you can't see like something is added in there or not because of the black glasses. And for running it, temporary solution, it's added on the switchboard. Cool. and there will be tons of upgrades coming slowly. Like the front bumper will be changed, back bumper will be changed, winch will be coming in, more lights will be coming in. So do subscribe the channel and like and share the video.